好，等一下我会念这篇文章推荐的地方，你就念出来那个答案。如果我会重复那个答案是对还是不对。With the advance of multimedia technology, there has been an increase of interactive learning system which utilize, okay, various data such as text, image, audio. 答案是 animation 动画 and video. Unlike traditional learning system, an interactive multimedia system is a rich environment which use complicate techniques to provide advanced interface features such as dynamic button, and multiple, 答案是 multiple, and multiple windows, 答案是 multiple. On the one hand, such interface feature allow user to navigate 导航 navigate N-A-V-I-G-A-T-E 导航 allow user to navigate wings freedom and easily identify relevant content 相关的 relevant contents. On the other hand, not all user 答案是 appreciate the strengths 长处 strengths strengths 长处 strengths of this interface feature. This is due to the fact that variations 变化 variations within user referring to human factor such as age, gender, capability 能力 capability capabilities capabilities and computer experience make them have a diverse preference of interface feature. 刚才那个字是 diverse preference of interface features. 好，第一段我再念一遍。With the advance of multimedia technology, there has been an increase of interactive learning systems which utilize various data such as text, image, audio, animation, and video. Unlike traditional learning system, an interactive multimedia learning system is a rich environment which uses complicated techniques to provide advanced interface features such as dynamic button and multiple windows. On the one hand, such interface features allow users to navigate with freedom and easily identify relevant contents. On the other hand, not all users appreciate the strength of this interface feature. This is due to the fact variations within user referring to human factors such as age, gender, capabilities, and computer experience make them have a diverse preference of interface feature. Diversity in the user population result in a new challenge. Result in a new challenge for interface design. in response to this challenge. More 答案应该是 attention. More attention need to be directed to see which human factor significantly affect users' preference of interface feature when they using interactive multimedia learning system. In this sense, S-E-N-S-E, in this sense, the human factor that determine user preference can be used to 答案是 personalize, can be used to personalize multimedia interface. Therefore, search 答案是 investigation, investigation, can potentially provide insight for designer to redesign and restructure the layout and content of multimedia interface so that the needs of diverse users can be accommodated. In particular, a number of user-centered studies have shown that the human factor have a strong impact on the use of information technology and analysis of existing 现有的 existing 现有的 existing and analysis of existing study also confirm that the successful usage of information technology depend on the technology itself and the user's individual characteristic. To this end, this study aims to examine how human factors affect users' preference of interface feature in an interactive multimedia learning system. OK， 第二段我再念一遍。Diversity in the user population results a new challenge for interface design. In response to this challenge, more attention needs to be directed to see which human factors significantly affect users' preference of interface feature when they using interactive multimedia learning system. In this sense, the human factor that determine user preference can be used to personalize multimedia interface. Therefore, such investigation can potentially provide insight for designers to redesign and restructure the layout and content of multimedia interface so that the needs of diverse users can be accommodated. In particular, a number of user-centered studies have shown that human factors have a strong impact on the use of information technology, and analysis of existing studies also confirm the successful usage of information technology depends on the technology itself and the user's individual characteristic. To this end, this study aims to examine how human factors affect users' preference of interface feature in an interactive multimedia learning system. This issue has been investigated by a number of studies which found that the human factor have an influence on user preference for functionality and 答案是 configurations, 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 是电院的学生应该都很熟悉这个字 configurations, provided by multimedia interface, including age, coding style, domain knowledge, gender difference, and system experience. For instance, males and females use different tools for navigation purposes. Experts have a more positive perception to nonlinear navigation than novices. The results obtained from such previous research are useful, but they only present the tip of the iceberg of what may be obtained by using advanced 答案是 intelligent，OK，intelligent，智慧的、聪明的。One of which is data mining. Data mining, also known as also known as knowledge discovery, is an interdiscipline 跨领域的 interdisciplinary interdiscipline interdisciplinary is an interdisciplinary area that covers techniques from a number of fields, including information technology, statistical 统计 statistical 统计 statistical 统计统计分析 statistical analysis and mathematics science 数学。A major function of data mining is to help analyze, understand, or 答案是 visualize the huge amount of data stored in database or data warehouse WAREHOUSES. Data mining is discovering Data mining is a discovering 答案是 driven discovering driven DRIVEN discovering driven in lab and use the data themselves to discover patterns and relationship instead of having the initial formulation of hypothesis 假设 hypothesis 假设 hypotheses 假设 hypothesis. Recent studies suggest data mining is a useful tool for analyzing users' preference because it can discover hidden relationship and patterns. Therefore, data mining is employed to analyze user preference for interface feature in interactive multimedia learning system in this study. 好，从第3段跟第4段我再念一遍。This issue has been investigated by a number of studies which found that human factors have influence on user preference for functionality and configurations provided by multimedia interface, including age, coding style, domain knowledge, gender difference, and system experience. For instance, male and female use different tools for navigation purposes. Experts have a more positive perception to nonlinear navigation than novices. The results obtained from such preference research are useful, but they only represent the tips of the iceberg of what may be obtained by using advanced intelligent technology, one of which is data mining. Data mining, also known as knowledge discovery, is an interdisciplinary area that covers techniques from a number of fields, including information technology, statistical analysis, and mathematical science. A major function of data mining is to help analyze, understand, or visualize the huge amount of data stored in database or data warehouse. Data mining is discovery driven in that it uses the data themselves to discover pattern and relationship instead of having the initial formulation of hypotheses. Recent studies suggest that data mining is a useful tool for analyzing user preference because it can discover hidden relationships and patterns. Therefore, data mining is employed to analyze user preference for interface features in interactive multimedia learning system in this study.